Hi, this is Coach Chata. How to get an affiliate link to free traffic. Well, free traffic. I've been doing that for a long time. You can use Google Trends to find out what's the topic of the day to search for. But be consistent. Free traffic is harder to work for. You're putting in lots of time. But be consistent every day of putting out your affiliate link or whatever you're promoting. So, it's doing solo ads. It's a lot of work you put in, but it pays off when you get leads. And those leads will come back. They're very hungry buyers out there with free leads. Or you can go with paid traffic. But you have to be consistent also. Start out small. Try out different vendors. Every week. Be consistent. So either it's free or paid. Be consistent of what you do in your daily method of operation. So my call to action is click the link above, because I'm with a community that's here to help you and train you, or click the link below, depending on where you see this video. So you have a nice evening. This is Coach Chata, known as Priscilla Schaewe. Have a nice evening. Bye-bye.